used to feel so bored.
Yeah. They should teach all the things.
They used to feel like, why are we studying? Okay, they have achieved something and they have achieved and they have died, but why we have to head up at them now? Like currently, what it is of use, that was our
Yeah. See, they never knew that they have looted one crore like this without a single bloodshed they took away. Yes or no? This time was.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. I'm going to mute all of you now. Good evening, one and all. Today we are going to discuss a small part of the lesson, a small portion of the lesson, which will be completed in a day, called as trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Okay. Now, regarding complementary angles, regarding trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, the word complementary refers to whenever the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Whenever the sum of two angles is 90 degree, it refers to complementary angles. And this is always the case. This always holds good in a right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, one angle is always 90 degree. Correct? We know the sum of three angles has to be 180 degree. As 90 is already here, the sum of these two has to be another 90 degree. Individually how much they are we don't know. Maybe 45 45, maybe 30 60, maybe 20 70. We don't know individually how much they are. What we know is the total has to be 90 degree. Here a plus b is equal to 90 degree. A plus c is 90 degree. Therefore A and C are complementary angles. Are complementary angles. A and C are complementary angles. If one of them we refer as theta, if one of them as theta, the other becomes shift theta that side. C becomes plus theta goes that side, 90 minus theta. Then other becomes automatically it becomes 90 minus theta. If A is theta, C is complementary A is complementary C. A and C are complementary of each other. A is complementary of C. C is complementary of A. And A and C are complementary of each other. If you take A as a reference angle, this becomes opposite, this becomes adjacent, this becomes hypotenuse. Then sine the angle is theta is opposite is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Then cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Reciprocal of sine is cosec. Cosec theta is AC upon BC. Reciprocal of cos is sec. AC upon AB. Reciprocal of tan is cot. AB upon BC. Is it clear? Now, I have written the trigonometric ratio by taking A as a reference angle. I will change the reference angle to C now. If you take this as a reference angle, this becomes opposite. This becomes adjacent. Hypotenuse is the same. Hypotenuse is the same. I will take this as a reference angle. Sine. Now the reference angle is 90 minus theta. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos of the reference angle is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan of the reference angle is opposite upon adjacent. Reciprocal of sine is cosec. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Reciprocal of tan is cot. So we have written all the trigonometric ratios. Okay. I hope all of you understood this. Okay. Now look here. Now what you should understand from this relation is sin theta is BC upon AC. Cos 90 minus theta is also BC upon AC. So these two are same because these two things are equal to same. Things equal to same are equal to one another. Sin theta value will be always equal to cos 90 minus theta value. Always. For example, as an example, if you take sin 30 answer is always equal to cos 90 minus 30. Sin 30 will be always equal to cos 60. Sin 30 is half. Cos 60 is also half. Like this. This is a meaning. Whether you take sin 30 or cos of its, if this is 30, then this is its complementary pair. Therefore, sin, this is complementary sign. Co stands for complementary sign. Sin, cosine. Here the word co represent complementary. Similarly, if this is sine, this is cosine. Or you should by heart this. Or cos theta is sine of 90 minus theta. Both are same. Therefore, whatever is true is for sine, it's true for the complementary of cos. Whatever is true for cos, it is true for complementary of sine. Therefore, sine and cos are complementary. Therefore, sine, complementary sine. Sine, complementary sine. Complementary is co. Complementary is co. You can see here tan BC upon AC. Cot BC upon AC. These two are also equal. Tan, complementary tan, and these two are also equal. Can you see things equal to same or equal to one another? Tan theta is same as complementary 90 minus theta, and cot theta is same as tan 90 minus theta. Okay. Similarly, if this is sec, this is cosec, and if this is sec, this is cosec. They are also complementary of each other. Sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Okay. Okay. Now you have to by heart the formulas. This much has to be by hearted. Please copy from the board. Please copy from the board. Start copying from the board, and only which are put in the box, only that you memorize. You have to memorize now which is in the box. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, good. Only which I have put it in the box, you please memorize. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is tan 90 minus theta, sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta, cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Please memorize this. Tell 10 times in your mind and memorize this. Memorize it and memorize. This is just an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Memorize. Okay. Keeping this view, we will start a small exercise 8.3. It is a small exercise in fact. Okay. Now, exercise 8.3. Look here. All of you see this. They are complementary of each other. They are same. They are same. They get cancelled. But before cancelling, show that they are same. How? Wherever sine theta is there, you can write it as cos 90 minus theta. Correct? Here sine theta is there. Here sine theta is there. Write it as cos 90 minus theta. Correct? Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. According to the formula, sine theta is cos 90 minus theta divided by cos 72. Okay, cos 90 minus 18 is 72 upon cos 72, gets cancelled. 1 is the answer. Simple exercise. You will get 1 or 2 mark from this exercise. Very simple. Okay, copy this. Okay, look here. Tan theta, I will apply this formula. Can you see here? Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Change any one of them, don't change both. Tan, this is theta. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta divided by cot 64. Cot 90 minus 26 is 64 degree upon cot 64 gets cancelled, 2 become 1. See? Okay. Here also, change any one of them. I will change the first one only. Cos theta is there. Wherever cos theta is there, I can write it as sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta minus sin 42 degree. Sin 90 minus 48 is 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. Plus minus gets cancelled. 0 is answer. Change this, you will get the answer. Change cosec, you will get the answer. Okay. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus 31 is sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree gets cancelled to become 0. Very good. All are able to do very good. Super. I can see many are doing correct. Next, second way, show that okay, look here. Start with LHS. I should prove it is 1. First observe, write LHS. Tan 48 degree, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. Correct? Huh? Now, first step, what you should do is, you should identify the complementary pair, like 48 and 42 are complementary, correct? 48 plus 42 is 90, they are called as complementary pair. 23 and 67 are complementary, they are called complementary pair. Is it clear? Now, out of these two pair, change one. Out of these two pair, change one. You have to change any one of this. I will change this, I will change this, sorry. Out of these two, I'll change this. Out of these two, I'll change this. Okay? This and this I will change. Is it clear? Huh. tan. Okay, tan theta. Formula is there, no? What is tan theta formula? Cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta cot 90 minus theta. This I have changed. I will keep this as it is. This I will change. Tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta into tan 42. I will keep it as it is. Tan 67. I will keep as it is. Is it clear? Now carefully observe. Okay. Cot 90 minus 48 is 42. Cot 90 minus 23 is 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. Is it clear? Now, all of you carefully observe. If you have seriously taken my classes and have taken effort to remember what I told, you should remember the reciprocal relation. If you remember the reciprocal relation, it will be easy. Reciprocal of cot. I will repeat once again. Reciprocal of cot is 1 by tan. Reciprocal of cot is tan. So, cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. You have to please practice this. Memorize the formulas. Then only it will be easy for you to understand. Cot theta is 1 upon tan 67. Okay. Into tan 42 into tan 67. Is it clear? Now see here. Tan 67 gets cancelled. Tan 42 gets cancelled. Answer is 1. That is your RHS. That is your RHS. Please copy. Now that you know the formulas, I'll remove them. I should prove it is equal to 0. Look very carefully. Look very carefully. Change these two, keep these two same. Or change these two, keep these two same. I will change these two now. Formula cos theta can be written as sine 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. After the session, please re-log in. Okay, into. Again, cos theta is there. Sine 90 minus theta minus of. This two I will keep as it is. Sine 38 into sine 52 degree. Okay. Now look here. Sine 90 minus 38 is 52 into sine 90 minus 52 is 38 minus sine 38 into sine 52. You can see this is a positive quantity, this is a negative quantity. Commutative property is true, it gets cancelled to get 0. Copy. Hello? Henry? Okay. Next question. After this, you re-log in again. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Find a. Now look here. Theta. Okay, tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Correct? Correct now? Two trigonometric ratios are equal. When two trigonometric ratios are equal, their angle should be equal. Therefore, 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Shift minus 18 this side, minus 2a this side. 90 plus 18 is equal to a. Minus 2a becomes plus 2a. 90 plus 18 is 108 is equal to 3a. A is equal to 108 upon 3. A is equal to 3 3 is 9 1 10, 3 6 is 18. Is it clear? So like this if you do. Understood now? Similar question is there. I will give for you. Same type. Fourth one also we will do. Afterwards we will do. Don't think that we will not do fourth one. Okay. Don't chart it. Fourth one, fourth one, fourth one. Anta paiko battery labo labo anteli. Aita. Similar questions I am doing first step. See this and do this. Either notary exactly same with model. I will check the answer. Okay. Please try. After 1 minute, please log in again. Please log in again after 1 minute. I will solve this question. Okay.